Hi, this is Patrick Dumais from Inaxsys Security Systems. Today we're going to be talking about another portion of CCTV video, network switches. This switch is a managed gigabit switch. Inaxsys has two different models of this category of switches, a 16 port and a 24 ports. We're going to demonstrate the 16 port here. So the 16 port has 16 PoE ports plus the two red ones right up here. These two red ones have 90 watts of power, so they're 802.11bt, and can go up to 250 meters for a camera using those two ports only. It also has two uplinks. They're combos, so either Ethernet or SFP modules, and has a console port for RS-232 connection. This switch is also layer 2 managed, so basically it keeps track of MAC addresses. It's not designed for routing, but at least you can create your own access list and be able to manage your ports this way. Today we're not going to go deeper into the configuration of this switch. However, if you have questions or comments, leave them below this video, and if needs be, we'll do a more in-depth presentation of the configuration of this switch. Remember, Inaxsys is a distributor of many security system products. So access controls, alarms, CCTV, intercoms, network switches, obviously, servers, workstations. If you have any questions, contact your sales department or go to our website, inaxsys.com.